Luis Suarez make history on Atletico Madrid debut with the double and assist off the bench. The 33-year-old did not need much time to show he can play a key role for the Rojiblancos after coming off the bench against Granada. Luis Suarez made immediate impact at Atletico Madrid by scoring two and setting up another as they trunched Granada 6-1 on Sunday. The striker joined Diego Simeone's side from Barcelona in a €6 million deal on Thursday after a move to Juventus fell through. The 33-year-old came off the bench to make his debut for Atletico Madrid when he replaced Diego Costa in the 70th minute with his side 3-0 up. The Uruguayan international needed less than 2 minutes to contribute to the scoring as he set up Marcos Llorente to make it 4-0, knocking it on the midfielder to slot home. Suarez then seemed to have won a penalty for the Rebelligencos, but a VAR check saw the decision overturned. But he would follow that up, netting his goal for his new club when he rose to meet a cross from Llorente and not past Rui Silva. He then scored a second deep in the injury time, finishing after playing 1-2 with following substitute Vitolo. Suarez is now the first Atletico player to score an assist for his debut in 21st century and the first debutant to net a double for the club this century as well. Luis Suarez has become the first player to score an assist on his La Liga debut for Atletico Madrid in 21st century and also first debutant to score a brace for the Red and Whites. Suarez, who enjoyed a successful 6-year spell at Barcelona, signed a 2-year deal with Atletico after falling out of favor at Camp Nou. Reports claim Ronald Koeman has decided the former Liverpool and Ajax star has no place in his plans for the team. But the Dutch coach suggests this week that decision to offload Suarez was made before his appointment. It seems that I have been the villains of the film, but before I arrived here, some decisions have already been made and I support those decisions. I wasn't up to me. I only show respect to Luis Suarez as the person, as a player, Lionel Messi says. I told him that if he stayed it would be difficult for him to play but that he would be part of the squad. Sunday clash has Atletico's first of the new La Liga campaign and they are back in the action on Wednesday when they travel to Huesca. Simeone's team finished third in the Spanish top flight last season, 17 points behind champion Real Madrid. Follow our Facebook and YouTube channel for more updates and news, link in the description. Don't forget to like the video, comment if you like the video, share if you like the video, and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell